Control balance. Start supine and then roll over, reach the arms overhead and the legs reach to the sky. Then you start to scissor the legs, reaching the leg down so that you can hold the foot or the ankle as that leg comes down, and really try and control that balance. Inhale, one leg reaches, and then exhale, the other leg reaches. Or you could inhale as the leg reaches down, then exhale to switch, inhale, the other leg reaches down. Try and keep the weight in the upper back and the shoulders rather than the neck. Now this exercise is called control balance for a reason. You really have to try and control that as the legs switch, as you have not very much on the ground. You're just balancing up there between the shoulders and that upper back.